Blessed Sunday everyone. Today is May 25, 2025. So back here at Antonio C. Acero Sports Complex. Kahapon, solo-solo lang to. Wala man si Ina. Asa din muna ito na?
Davao.
Davao pala sila. Time check, it's 7:23. So 7:20 may nagabot ganyan. It's more than 1 hour na libot-libot. Actually, taas akong uric last week pa. So, tukar ang arthritis. So, ang swelling, naalang sa taas mo na medyo hubag ganito rin. So, that's why, makalakaw-lakaw ta. Citizen ako karong September. So, dual citizen na. So, excited to enjoy the privileges of being a senior citizen. Pero bisag senior citizen na, pakin drop ulit kung kaya pa. And yun, it's 7:50. Walking and blessed Sunday again. Bye bye.